Hi everyone, in this video we're working on light controller. So first open app, controllers, and let's create new file, likes controller.rb, and class likes controller application controller n, and before action we require them to authenticate user and def create n. So like current user dot like bill like parents, and after it was created we get the post from like and check if file was saved, and we will respond to GS, else flash alert something went wrong n, and def like no, private, and inside we have like parents, and well, actually this should be singular, like parents permit post ID, and we have def destroy. So pretty much the same. Fly parents ID and post equal like post. If fly was destroyed successfully, we will also respond to GS, else flash alert something went wrong and save it. So after the like is successfully created, you return a GS file, and this GS file will update part of your web without having to reload all the web, and this is something called Ajax. So later on the view lecture we'll write this GS file. Alright, now let's open host controller, and in here we also includes likes, and write something like this. Alright, for show, this show, when you show a specific post, you also want to display like post.likes dot includes user, and we'll check that user has liked this post or not. Fine. Bye. Oh, actually we'll try using the model. Post dot is like something in the model which is written is like current user. Okay, save it, and this should be like. Alright, save it. Alright, that's all for this video. See you next time.